Hey guys, Derek Van here, and in this video I want to talk about what I've been doing in my ultralearning project. And I know it's been a while since I last posted, but I've been doing some work, and I will actually start doing the learning part of my ultralearning instead of just the meta learning soon. So basically, what I've been doing since 2 weeks ago, I think, or maybe 3, when I last posted a video, I think it was 2, I've been creating a device which will let me connect to the Lichess API and play games. So I'll be able to play games on the device, play chess games, and actually get my rating up. And this is important because, like I said before, I don't get that much time to play games, and also I'm going to be going on vacation soon, so I'll have even less time then, so this will be very important then, especially. So here is the core of my device, and this is a ESP8266 microcontroller board. And this board is, it has got a Wi-Fi chip here, as you can actually see. I don't know if you can see that in focus, but it's got a Wi-Fi chip, which allows it to connect to the Wi-Fi, and then I'll be able to play a game with that. And also over here you can see it has a USB as well, which I'm using this data transfer cable to upload the code to it, and then I'll connect it here and connect this to an adapter to power the board. And there is one inconvenient thing, or actually two, about this board. One, it's an ESP8266 board, so that means it has less RAM and maybe not enough RAM. I should have gotten an ESP32, but I mixed the two up, and that was a mistake. And number two, it has pins like this. Like my other board has female pins. These are male pins, so it's a bit annoying because then I have to connect this to the breadboard, and then I'll only be able to connect it to my other devices. But I mean, I hope that's not going to be a problem, specifically the RAM. And anyway, now we can move on to this. This is an IR sensor. So basically, when I connect this to the board, it will have a little red light being emitted there, infrared light. And then when I click a button on this remote, it'll send out a signal, and this will pick it up and give that data to the board. And why that's important is that I'll be able to input my moves with this. So I'll be able to go first which square I want to move from, which piece in other words, and which square I want to move to. And as you can see, I only have numbers here, so this will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, because those are on the chessboard. And then the second time I click it, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. So for example, I could go E2, E4, and that would move the piece which is on E2 to E4. And finally here, I have an LCD. So this one, when I connect it, will turn on, and it will show seek a game, and I'll be able to seek a game on Lichess using the API, and then I will be able to play a game. So it'll show up here, it will show who it is to move and what color I am. And then it will also show the opponent's last move, and then I'll be able to input my move and the time that is left. And it doesn't have that much space on it, so that's all it will be able to show. And it will also show my rating when I am not playing a game, just for ease of use purposes. And I'm going to be playing rapid games. I know my account is mainly on Blitz, my rating, so that's a bit like I'm doing a new rating basically, but we're playing rapid because Blitz I can't do on Lichess without a bot account, which I don't want to do. And also it's too fast because it takes a while to input the moves and also get the moves and send the moves. So yeah, I'm going to be playing Blitz, so probably a 10-minute game, maybe with a 2 or 3 second increment. Over here you can see I have my breadboard and also female to male jumper wires. So yeah, that is basically what has been going on with my ultralearning. And I'm going to actually start learning next week, probably like Monday. So I'll be doing puzzles and openings and endgames and games and all that stuff, and analysis, obviously. Yeah, hopefully this device works anytime, because I'm going on vacation soon. I'll not be able to work on it then. I'm going on vacation from next week, or actually from Friday maybe, but it is looking like it's going to work, most probably, so hopefully that will all work out and I will be able to use this to play chess games. So yeah, that's what's been going on. If you want to stay updated, subscribe to my channel if you're watching on YouTube, or follow if you're watching on Instagram, so that you can get updates when I post a new video or reel. And yes, I will see you in the next one.